how to cancel your Malwarebytes Premium subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your malwarebytes.com. Then from there, what you can actually do is simply tap on the menu bar right here on the top right corner, or you can even use the application version of it. It really depends on you. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. You can see the sign in option right here. Tap on it, tap on sign in, and then add all of the credentials of your account, and then simply log into your account. After successfully logging into your Malwarebytes, you'll be able to get into their dashboard. Then from there, what you can actually do is simply tap on their account, my account option on your account. You can tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, or you can get that on your navigation bar. Simply either way, tap on that one, get into my account, then from there scroll down until you see subscription, tap on subscription, then you'll be able to find the auto renewal. Keep on scrolling until you find auto renewal, and make sure that the toggle button is turned off of the auto renewal, or you can tap on the option cancel subscription if you do find that option if you keep on scrolling. And then either way, you can turn off the auto renewal, or you can tap on cancel subscription, follow all of the on-screen prompt, and just like that, you'll be able to cancel your Malwarebytes Premium subscription.